All right, welcome to the first point of view episode of me going to a studio to do some photography. We're gonna be working with Ganimal. He's a DJ that I've been working with for quite some time, doing photo and video. Right off the bat, I'm gonna be using the Canon R3. That's my main go-to camera for both photo and video. Here I am just checking the footage from the last event that I shot. And formatting a card always gives me really bad anxiety. I know I backed it up twice, but there's always that thought and that stress level. Anyways, backup is the Canon R6 Mark II, 24-70 is my main go-to lens. I like to use the Yongnuo speed lights. They're simple, they're effective, they're affordable, and they get the job done. This is a one-take audio recording, so bear with me as I get through these mistakes. The speed lights are just fast. They're easy to work with. I love them, especially with the transmitter. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, there are some Amazon basic batteries, which I hope they work. Turns out they do. And check out that crew badge from ACL, or crew wristband. That is an awesome backpack. I don't know the name of it, but hit me in the comments if you want to know the name of it, or ask me in the comments. Yeah, it's a great versatile bag, versatile, whatever. On to diffusion. We're going to be using the 5-foot umbrella, great big soft light source with the, I think it's full stop diffusion. I don't remember. Anyways, it goes over the umbrella. It provides a nice soft light. There's the speed light mount, which I'll be putting on the C-stand. Here's me pondering what the hell else I need for this shoot, which is not much because photography is easier than video and you don't need a lot of gear to get the job done. I will die on that hill. Always need a good bag. I love this Manfrotto. It was actually a tripod bag from, God, 10 years ago. Anyways, I need to figure out this storage system because this is just a pain in the ass to deal with. I'm trying to fumble, get it out without having to move everything, and then I lose the battle, so I just move this suitcase, and look at that. Oh, a lot easier. Wow, go figure. Here's me double checking again to make sure I have everything in the camera, cards, batteries. Gonna pack everything in my 2012 Honda Civic with 250,000 miles on it. It's a workhorse. I love this car. And let's get going. We're going to be taking a short drive, about 20 minutes during 4:30 p.m. right here in Austin, Texas, which is pretty unbelievable I made in that time. Usually it's, you know, bumper to bumper by now. But anyways, as you can see, pretty straightforward shot. Love coming into the city. I love this city. It's a privilege to, you know, be able to work in the city and come to the studio, which is Southern Love Studio. I don't know, it offers a lot of flexibility in different setups. It has an infinity background, which I'm not going to show you because I just completely forgot. Yeah, so like I said, here's me setting up. I think coming up we have some good oh, here it is. Such a pleasing sound. Putting in the strap, get the camera squared away. Now it's time for the 5-foot umbrella. Pro tip when you're putting it on a C-stand, by the way, if you're not using C-stands, get a C-stand, it'll change your life for the better. While setting up the 5-foot umbrella, I find it easier to put the diffusion before you expand the umbrella. It just makes life a lot easier, and I'm kind of a short guy, and mounting it on the C-stand first and then trying to put that diffusion on is just a pain in the ass. This is much easier. And so here I am mounting it to the C-stand. I think that's about it. We're gonna double check to make sure the flash is working. Oh yeah, gotta suture it down. Suture is not the word. Anyways, here's me checking to make sure the flash or the transmitter and receiver is working, or the transmitter to the speed light is working, and it does. And here are the end results, quick little photo edits. And when you're in Austin, why not catch an Underhill show after you're done working? All right, thank you so much for listening and watching. Sorry for all the stumbles and mistakes, but hey, this is real life. Stuff happens. Subscribe, like, and all that stuff. See you next time.